Adika over the gossip center, even if we Yana, I'll pay Yana. So, there look, she only like her now. They got me.
Not depend on who Madini Lisha. Depend on the neatness and the genuine heart and everything. Here, oh, I can't quack it. I can't back over Madini. To my husband, they feel no him game here. I'll do it. Then I want my that relationship feel like it's genuine. You understand? I won't know on a minute something I'm like it and don't make you oh, I feel like when I babe do this thing for me, I will do it for him.
I advise you no more in that infection now that we real infection maybe working because always why you matter no infection like that 3 where. You got 3 where what you gonna do alarm fire 3 where. You got money infection you will be working.
Advice in you can how onye be infection treat onwe mana ụmụ nwanyị niile ji were that mindset nye ọbụla nwechara great ụmụ nwanyị wụ ama na enwe infection but the problem ha wugodi the infection ahụ ha bụ the easiest way ha na-eji treat ya ha ga-azụrụ ọgwụ insert wepụgodi ike anụ ha na ukwu na-enye ha that smell ga-eme nwoke kpọgodi ha in the next minute. But where are you? Can you go free? The comfortable Ghana the person. So on your easy. You need to treat your sister that inside. But you guys here, go our lab, check where the culture, this one, this. I find they are difficult. Some more, and then there's some. I find they are difficult. So the easiest way I insert and mohara, where I have some antibiotics or call a doctor nearby. The pharmacy or the chemist see doctor no so the way cancer no like it doctor in Nigeria I just say koja oga we here oga we your hormones oga we this thing make again oga we okay toilet I just miss illegal go chakaga here no need they got lab now just come I say we can hear na chakota here got 20,000 15,000 it's again start say we can go dey ma ogula but he treat me where we go back. The injection, the drip, other things, insert sokoya flush other things. I don't some I don't say some they give you the money. Or when they give you the money, or bro infection now the main cocoa their problem. The problem once hand over that insert. One can hammer chicken and the sauce hang not to matter go the other customers say go then chicken now.